all good. Sure. Just let them a little bit, but super. What? And with our there you go, run it straight. And last night we stayed in this wonderful area. What was that town called?
Holly Springs, Mississippi.
Holly Springs. So Holly Springs apparently has a high crime rate. It was the first car I've seen with real bullet holes in the
It
side
had
of it.
real bullet holes in the side of it.
Yeah, it wasn't those stickers. It was very sketchy looking. And
looking for a hotel, reading the reviews. Like more than 2 hotels, the reviews talked about massive amounts of blood on the floors and the sheets. Like more than 2 hotels in this town.
so we have made it into Arkansas. What's your favorite part of Arkansas?
I think everybody's got a burn barrel.
There's a lot of burning going on.
These guys are not scared to burn garbage.
A lot of garbage.
That guy right there. In fact, he's just not screwing around. He's
Oh
gonna
my
burn
gosh.
the whole yard on fire. Dang.
Our road continues down here straight, but there's a slight problem. Seems to be flooded out just a bit. A little bit of water here. Not really sure how deep it is, so we're gonna have to scope it out. It looks like it's flooded for quite some distance here.
It could potentially be a very long way. I mean, it disappears around the corner up there. I mean, it might be.
There's a bend in the road here. You can see the elevation lines here, too.
Yeah, topos show that, don't they?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to tell right now. So our course of action at this point is to drive in there, get stuck, potentially, and go
Well,
for a swim.
If we get stuck, we're screwed because there's nowhere to tie to pull out.
I'm gonna just go really slow, and then if it starts going down at all, I'll just back up.
I kind of just screwed myself, didn't I?
You sort of did. I guess you're going for a swim.
Well, hold on a second here. I'm not doing that.
I think you might be, actually.
I'm not going to, though.
Watch Joe go for a swim.
Not going to happen.
Very shallow, yep. Nice boat. How are you doing?
Nice and slow, man. We want to know about it long before it happens.
Can you grab one? You look good. No, you're good. Is it? Yeah. Thank you. Hold on a second. Where you at? How's it going? Good. That's exhaust. On your side? Hold. That's right here. That's around. So you okay? Sorry. The grass on the other side next to it. Is it? Thank you. A little bit. Okay. You guys got it. Get to the bottom of the writing board.
Looks like it's shallow right up right there. Yeah, it does. You get better. Yeah. Deep spot where you're at that corner. Look at those clean new tires.
So,
That looked way
That was
deeper
sweet,
than that.
and neither one of us had to walk.
We didn't have to walk. It was way better than yesterday, and and we overcame an obstacle that looked pretty sketchy from the side there. So we got all the way through
Everything
it.
looks sketchy when you have a stock Montero.
Ouch!
I'm just saying.
That hurts, sort of.
Just saying. Prehistoric, dude.
We just saw a huge monster turtle.
That thing's like 13 inches of shell, probably 8 inches of tail. Dang, man.
Wow. That is one big turtle.